We identified the challenge originally as the installation because that's what David saw. But not long after we got into the business, we realized that the world was not familiar with handrails, with handrail design, with handrail code. A good, well over 50% of the time, we'll get architectural plans and the handrail just says TYP, just get a handrail there. And we discovered that we weren't in the business of selling just an installation solution. We had to provide support from one end to the other. So we do the takeoffs, we get the architectural plans. We do the takeoffs, we do, as you saw, the detailed renders. We provide detailed shop drawings. Let me see. So you'll get, this is for the powerhouse. So we walk them through this because there's no end of support that is needed the entire journey. We want to make it easier for people to find us, to understand what it is that they get in the shipment. We want to make sure that we obsess over the packaging, that it arrives in good condition. So it's not just a product itself.